Alright, hello everyone. This is Bedroom Fire Alarm Test 22. Today I have a Siemens theme, which I know there's one particular user who has requested a number of times I use a Siemens theme, so that's what we're going to do today. Let's go and take a look at all the devices. For the pull stations today, on the left is a Siemens MS51, well actually it's Pyrotronics, and on the right is a Siemens MSM-K-WP. And as you can see by the notification appliances, today we have two Faraday 2834s, which are the equivalent of the Siemens UMHU MCS horn strobes. Both of these are on 15 candela, code 3 low volume, and since this panel supports Faraday sync, these will be synchronized together and be doing 2-wire audible silence. Smoke detectors are the same, and give this a test, which that works. So, let's get started. Again, go ahead and start things off with the Pyrotronics MS51. Here we go. So next we're going to re-alarm by pulling the T-bar. So that's the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.